Hello, everyone, and welcome to my APBA Football 1975 replay. I am playing the San Diego Chargers with a C pass, C run against the Houston Oilers, B pass, A run. They've had 2 possessions. They have 2 field goals, 6 points, and 0 for 2 for the Chargers. So it's 6-0. Chargers in their 3rd possession. Sometimes I keep it timed, but I'm doing 10 possessions per team. So this is the Chargers' 3rd possession. They have it way down at their own 11, 1st and 10, after the most recent kickoff by the Oilers. I've got my play calling chart here, and that is right here. And I borrowed this from Season Ticket. It's inspired by Season Ticket football. And I've changed the plays and tweaked it a little bit for APBA Football. And so you roll 2 dice for the offensive call, a D6 and a D10. And then a D10 for the defensive call, and a D8 for the player assignment based on what the play call was. So that's where that came from. Typically, I would play the game in my spreadsheet, which looks like this, and it calls the plays and keeps everything right on target. But I printed my score sheet from here, and so I'm using my score sheet, playing it on the tabletop today. So the Chargers have it 1st and 10 on their own 11. So what we'll do is look at the dice. We have a 5 against an 8. So it's an inside run against S. And they will be on my purple charts. Outside run with a CS. And the running back is running back 1, Ricky Young. The 26, that is a 24 CS. That is a -1. So they lost a yard on that, 2nd and 11. We have an 8-6 outside run against S. So we're still CS. This time it'll be Don Woods. Oh gosh, 41. 25, no gain. Not looking good here. All right, so we have 3rd and 11 on the play calling dice. You add 6 to the play calling dice for 6 yards and over. 3 to 5 yards, you would add 3 on 3rd down. No change on the numbers rolled on 3rd and 2. Applies for 4th down as well. And if you have just 3rd or 4th down and 1, you would subtract 3. So we're adding 6. That's 15-13. So a medium pass against D. And on a medium pass, we're looking for receiver 1, Pat Curran. So that'll bring us up to a B because he's A rated. So we're BD, looking for Pat Curran on a 54. It's a 36. So that's a 26-yard pickup with a penalty. I use these penalty charts that I think I got off of Ogard62's website. I'm not sure where I got it, but it's pretty detailed. It takes 3 dice, and that was a 24-yard pickup. What did I say? No, 26-yard pickup right now. We're looking at 11-4 on a pass. So its penalty is number 24. That's a defensive illegal substitution. Too many men on the field. We're going to decline that. Take the 26-yard pickup on the pass completion. Pat Curran and a 1st down brings us out to the 36. Moves the sticks. 1st and 10 for San Diego. We got a 9-9. Short pass against the blitz. So we're changing charts to the normal charts. Short pass, and that'll be blitz, so we'll use S since it's first down. Yep, short pass with the blitz. And we're looking for receiver 2. So that'll bring us to a B. BS 26 is an 18. BS is incomplete. Even with the blitz, that's incomplete. But we are going to roll with the sack and interception innovation by Ogard and Mark Z to see if there was a sack, and there was not. And a possible interception would need an 11. So it's an incomplete pass. Brings up second down. And 10. We've got a 6-0 outside run against G. Outside run CG for Don Woods. Ooh, 44-16 CG. That's an 8-yard pickup for Don Woods. Bringing up third down and 2. On 2 yards, you do not add anything to the play call dice. And we have a 7-2 outside run G. So we're looking at CG, Ricky Young on the carry. 22 CG is a no pickup, no gain. Fourth down, midfield, early, second quarter. They're going to punt. And I believe Pastorino was the quarterback that punts. The punter is Dennis Partee. And that is a 6 on the punt. And that'll be 44 yards. That'll be 6 to the 11-yard line. And we'll get the return. Is that Billy White Shoes Johnson for the Oilers is what I'm thinking. And it is Mr. Excitement himself. Ooh, 25. That's going to be a 9 for White Shoes on the return, punt return. That's going to get us 18. Brings it up to, was that on the 11? Brings it up to 29. Set the markers, and that'll be 1st and 10 for the Houston Oilers. Running backs will be Ronnie Coleman, Don Hardiman, Fred Willis. Receivers are 00 Ken Burrow. Number 84, I believe, Billy Johnson. Mark Austin and John Sawyer are tight ends. 1st and 10. This will be their first possession of the second quarter. I give 2 possessions for the first quarter, 3 in the second, 2 in the third, and 3 more in the fourth. This is going to be a 14-0. So it's a medium pass against G. Wow. So medium pass against G. They are B passing A run. The medium pass is targeting receiver 1, so that'll bring it up to an A. Ken Burrow. A-G on a medium pass for Ken Burrow. Oh, on a roll of 3. And we brought it up to an AG. That's 37 yards on that pass completion. Could have been a lot worse. 37 brings it up to the 34-yard line. Into Chargers territory. 1st and 10. We have a 12-9. That's a short pass against the blitz. And it's going to be BS Short pass, they're looking for receiver 2. That'll bring it up to an A. AS with a blitz. 20. Yes, incomplete. Incomplete pass, 2nd and 10. That is a 9-0. Short pass against G. Looking for Ronnie Coleman. BG. 18 BG is a complete for 0. And we have no sack or interception chance. As a matter of fact, we can take away. So it's incomplete. Bringing up 3rd down and 10. So we're going to add 6 to the play call dice. So we have 7 against 8. Outside run against an S. So there'll be AS with Ronnie Coleman. 43, 32 AS. So it's a rare play on my charts. So 32 AS is rare play. Now what I do is I've got my my little cheater cards for Master Game rare plays that Jeff, APBA Football Jeff, shared. So what I do is I pick them randomly, and this will be what we're going to have. It's an audible. So we're going to re-roll the dice, and on this card you roll 3, and we're going to do an AD index on this outside run by Ronnie Coleman. So AD on an audible, that should help a little bit. Oh, there it is, 44. 15 AD will get you 25 yards down to the 9. 25-yard pickup on the audible. Wow. It takes them down to the 9, 1st and goal. So that's how I use those. Love that. 1st and goal with the 9 for the Houston Oilers. We have a 6-5 outside run against an S. Ooh, we gotta change charts. We're inside the 10. Outside run against the S. So we're AS, and it'll be Ronnie Coleman. 55, 16 AS. 6 yards to the 3. 2nd down. 6-yard pickup Coleman. He's got 45 yards already. We got a 5-4 inside run S. AS Ronnie Coleman. 17 on the 35. 4-yard pickup. That's a 3-yard carry for touchdown. Pay dirt. Touchdown. Skip Butler for the extra point. 22. It should be good. And it is. So that's 7 more for the Oilers. Gives them a 13-0 lead as we go into the mid-2nd quarter. All right. Just wanted to kind of share my method of play from my APBA Football 1975 replay. Thanks for watching.